back to the channel. So guys, this is the original exhaust of the Pulsar, and yesterday we had replaced it with the aftermarket exhaust, which I'm going to show you. That this is slightly bigger in size as compared. I'll show you the comparison. Wait just a second. Yeah, so guys, this is a bit heavy also. So guys, have a look. So guys, this is the original exhaust and this is the aftermarket exhaust, guys. So guys, as you can see, the aftermarket exhaust is also black in color. I've seen many people, they go for chrome exhaust, fully chrome exhaust, but I don't prefer that because it doesn't matches with the look of the bike. You can see my bike right here. Yeah, so this exhaust, the black one, it goes with the, it matches, it blends with the color of the bike. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'll show you the testing video also, and this one is slightly heavier than the aftermarket one, and trust me guys, this is very big, very loud. If I'm going to start my bike now, I'm going to get a shouting from my home. So I'll show you the testing video once I'll go to a place where there is less human settlement. So guys, you see this is my bike, and this is the original one, this is the aftermarket one.
मत साफार बड़ी गंदा मारता है, एकदम फ्लेम्स कट करेगा, फट फट। कल बाइक बिक जाए हो जाए।
Fresh exhaust. This is a used exhaust. Actually this belongs to a friend of mine who has an R15, so he's selling the bike, so I asked him to give me the exhaust. Yeah, so don't type in the comment section that your exhaust looks old, because this is obviously a used one. And he had it mounted right here in his R15, so it used to get scraped. You can see the scraping marks right now. I'm sorry, my bike is a bit dirty. I am too lazy to wash it. Yeah, so guys, actually this part, this is stainless steel, and this is the original metal which the Pulsar gets. Yeah, so the दुकान वाले ने बोला था कि normal welding नहीं होगा, so he had done something, I don't know which type of welding, I guess. I don't know, I don't remember, guys. But yeah, the welding is up to the mark. Actually I have to fix this hole, this hole, because I'm not getting that bassiness because of this. Yeah, so guys, I'll show you the testing video. Bro, अब इसको ऑन कर, चलो। हाँ चल चल। Hey guys, so here's my bike. So guys, this is a single cylinder, so don't expect it to sound like a sports bike or a super bike.